A string is basically a collection of characters. Swift strings are native Unicode strings, so any Unicode character can be represented, be it an emoji, Chinese characters, or other foreign languages. Sometimes it could be necessary to include in a string some special characters like tabs, line fits, or carriage returns. In this case, we need to use the escape character, that is basically backslash, followed by our special characters. Here you can find listed some of the most common ones. Strings can be concatenated using the addition operator. A nice feature of Swift is string interpolation. Let's say we want to include the contents of a variable of type integer into a combination of strings. The addition operator can't work with mixed types like strings and integers, so we should convert our integer variable into a string before being able to use it. That's where string interpolation comes to the rescue. If inside a string we write our escape character followed by our numeric variable between parentheses, Swift automatically converts whatever expression between the parentheses into a string that is smoothly integrated with the rest. String interpolation works with integers, floating point, boolean, and of course strings. Okay, let's have a look at some strings in our playground. Okay, we said that we can use emojis in strings because Swift fully supports Unicode. So let's say we want to define a variable cow, which has the emoji cow. To get an emoji from the keyboard, you press Control Command Space and you activate your emoji panel. I introduce the cow, and there we go. Then I want a variable dog. Control Command Spacebar. Get my dog face. And there we go. I have a string with a dog face. Let's say I want to create a dog cow. I can add the two strings. So I can perform operations with emojis, strings of any kind containing emojis, foreign characters, Chinese, Japanese, Russian, whatever is supported by the Macintosh operating system or iOS. Dog cow equals cow plus dog. And now I have a dog cow. Actually, it should be dog plus cow. Get things in order. The funny thing is that variable names can not only be literals, meaning English names, or can be Unicode, any Unicode string. So I want a variable, a real cow, as a variable. I can use the cow symbol. Equals mo while var dog equals woof. Of course, it's not going to be very easy to use these emojis in a script, but having the possibility to use any Unicode characters means you don't just have to stick to English to define your variable names. You can also have Chinese or Japanese or whatever character. You can use your own language to define variable names, which can be very flexible for some developers. Okay, now we have a zoo, var zoo equals cow plus dog, and we have more wolf. Okay, now let's come to string interpolation. Let's say we have a table, var table width equals 23, var table length equals 10, and I want to print the surface of this table. So b equals surface of your table is backslash, and in parentheses I'm going to put the value of table width times table length. Okay. The surface of your table is 230. That's what string interpolation does. Performs the operation that is inside here, could be integers, floating points, and even strings, and transforms everything to a string and smoothly integrates that in my other string.